What's bubblegum poppin'?
So good.
Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, just stopping by. Don't forget to give this video a nurse a thumbs up before you leave, and don't be banging. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. And if you're already gang, welcome back. All right, y'all. So today I am doing my favorite, well, one of my favorites, a Dungeness crab bowl with some of my drip sauce. And I am going to be sipping on some H2O with some water enhancer, blue raspberry. Let's just put a few squirts. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit will take you a long way, y'all. Oh, I'm so ready to eat. Let me scoot over. Perfect. All right, y'all. Shake her up. Ooh. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and say grace, and we're gonna get started. Amen. All right, let's just dig right in. Y'all, I got some drip sauce on top. But how y'all doing? I hope y'all having a lovely Friday. I know I did not film and post on yesterday. Move that down. Y'all can see me? I know I didn't film and post yesterday. My crazy behind the left my phone charger over my friend's house. So I had to wait until he got work in order to get my charger. So I would have filmed, better would have died. And it would have been bad news. Bad news gang. And he's good. Y'all. Yes. Drip announcement. Y'all, do you have a Valentine? It's alright, me either. JK. But what I'm doing for y'all, come Friday that's coming up, what's that, y'all, the 19th? The 19th, I will be restocking the drip sauce. Only on the 19th, Friday, I will do another special because I love you and you are my Valentine. But no, I'm gonna do an after Valentine's Day special. Excuse me, y'all. This is my first meal day. But anyway, only on that Friday, I will be restocking both lemon drip and regular original mild drip sauce. And it will be for every purchase, for every order, whether you order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you will receive a 12-ounce sauce with your order, y'all. Got it? Because a lot of y'all been emailing me, write me on Snap and Instagram, like, hey, bro, we ain't gonna restock. So, yes, y'all, I will be restocking this Friday. Again, only on Friday, I will have it available for every order you'll receive a free 12-ounce sauce. But I'm gonna have it open until Saturday. I ain't gonna lie, baby. Lately, it's just, I guess because I haven't really been eating my drip sauce like that. I'm hungry. And I just finished cooking some turkey wings. Now I based the wings. Well, I cooked it in drip sauce. It was like half drip sauce, half water. And it smelled and tastes so good. But I took a little sample of that before I did this video because I wanted to get this video out of the way. I did not want to eat. I did not want to ruin my appetite. Chill bite. Ooh. I didn't want to ruin my appetite, y'all, so I was just like, okay, I can be strong enough to just not eat the rest of this turkey wing and go ahead and work. And then afterwards, I have to vlog. No, I'm not vlogging the turkey, but it's a surprise. I don't even want to tell y'all what I'm vlogging about, but of course, it will be on my vlog channel, right? So, Benji. So, please feel free to support that channel as well, y'all. Something very much different from me just sitting here eating and talking. You know what I'm saying? I am at 600 and something subscribers. And my last video reached almost 1,000 on views. So, it's getting up there, y'all. It's getting up there. So right now, on my vlog channel, I'm just doing like one video a week, which eventually gonna be every other day like I do here on Black Denim Mukbang channel. So I'm inspired. If you've been having issues finding that channel, I will have it spelled out for you to copy and put it on your search bar. Okay. Whew. So, I don't have a story time today, but I am about to trip out with y'all about my last video. First of all, y'all was real zeal coming for me in my last video when I did the octopus. I know it's something a little different. You know what I'm saying? Y'all used to eating the sausage. And y'all didn't know I eat the octopus. Oh, puss. Girl. Y'all are too funny. Tell me, keep my first and last bite to myself. Y'all couldn't watch it. Somebody had inboxed me on Facebook. On Instagram. Was apologizing to me for not watching my video in its entirety. I was like, it's fine. I love Beyonce. I ain't finna watch her do anything with no spiders. Yeah, I hate spiders. I don't care. If it's a spider involved, I ain't watching it. Same like my sister Sharika and my mom. They are terrified of serpents. So, child. If we can't watch it because it creep you out. Can't watch it because it creep you out. I can't fault you for that. But that video was funny because I was sitting there enjoying it. It was like a 4 times hot, y'all. I was sitting there enjoying my food. And it was so dang on hot. And it went down the wrong pipe. It went down my windpipe, y'all. And I was choking everywhere. Oh my goodness, it was the worst. But I'm okay, I'm here. Some people had to check on me, but like, Ryan, you you good, bro? I'm good. I'm good. I made it. And one of y'all called the ambulance on me while I was choking. This is good, man. It's either so good, I'm just so hungry. But that's all right for it to be both, right? It can be both. Look how my sauce stick to that crab, y'all. But yes, that was a funny video. I started not to post it. But like y'all told me before, it's no need for me to be, you know, wasting film. So we're going to make it happen, y'all. Ooh, yes. Also, on my last video, I asked y'all to do some Q&A questions for me. I want to do a Q&A video. I say I have about 15 questions so far. The more questions I have, the more interesting the video will be. And the longer it'll be for my vlog channel. So I asked y'all to go to my social media page, whether it's Black Denim Instagram or Black Denim Snapchat. And ask me some questions and I will gladly answer them for you. Excuse me. Try not to be so bangy though. The last time I did a Q&A, it was like all sexual. It was crazy, y'all. Yeah. I don't mind getting a little personal, but some of those questions was like way too much last time. So go ahead and ask me some questions and I will be sure to tag your name next to the questions. Ooh, yes. So y'all, since we are in Valentine's Day spirit, not everybody, but like I said, I love you, girl, so get over it. You got Valentine. But this year, out of all my years of living, is my first year actually having a Valentine that's not my mama or my sister. And to be totally honest with y'all, he wasn't getting them. I made my mind, I said, he ain't getting shit. Because, like, what am I supposed to get? You know what I'm saying? A balloon, some chocolate. But I was like, you know what? I want my boo to feel special this year or this holiday because I will be his first Valentine as well, y'all. So that's what makes it even cuter. So he's taking me to St. Augustine. And I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that. So it's a little personal. I may vlog on my way there. A few clips of, you know, the scenery in St. Augustine, because St. Augustine is just beautiful. So I don't mind sharing the scenery. Just a little bit, just like clips. But I really want that day to be special. because it's my first Valentine and it's his. And it's our first Valentine together, so. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be cool, y'all. I was nervous. Don't know what I'm gonna wear. I just wasn't prepared, y'all. I just didn't know what to do. I'm like, dang. He already told me where we're going. We're gonna have a nice dinner. He low-key wanted to surprise me, but you know, whatever. But I'm just like, you know, I don't know what to wear. I checked the forecast. It's supposed to be raining. Ooh, child, I just don't know. I don't know. All right. I'm gonna have to call Jamal over here when he got off work so he can come and help me decide what I'm gonna wear. Because it's Friday, Valentine's Day is Sunday, and I'm just not prepared. So, we'll see. We'll see what happened, y'all. Of course, y'all gonna hear about it. And if you want some inside scoop, of course, join my vlog channel. I'm gonna be vlogging it, some of it, because again, I want it to be special. Tomorrow, I have a few orders to do. Some people hit me up locally to prepare an early dinner. I think I have three dinners to do. So, yeah, man, whatever. Pretty busy. But y'all keep me busy though. I don't know if I can eat that claw. Yeah, I texted my sister yesterday and she did not text me back. So if y'all follow I am Sharika B /Eating Pretty, y'all tell her that her brother said, don't be Banji. And if you need help spelling Banji, just spell it Bangee. Go to her and tell her that I said, don't be Banji. Cause she be forgetting. Sometimes she'll type up and forget to send. So, should I eat that last call? Whew. All right. Hold on, y'all. All right. Get this shell from around all of this meat. Ooh, I just thought about all my people in Texas. Please check in. Let me know if y'all are right. I seen that pile up, y'all. And I'm telling you, as I was watching it, I seen a clip on Instagram, and I was literally in tears watching that video. So please check in. I hope y'all are right. I hope your family's all right. I hope your friends are right. Oh, that damn dog, y'all. As long as we don't hear the ambulance, I'm all good. We hear the doorbell instead. Whoever it is gonna have to wait. All right, here we go, y'all. Last bite. That was good, y'all. All right. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a nasty thumbs up before you leave. And don't be bangy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. I can't stand that neighbor. My next door neighbor dog is so annoying. So annoying. One of my subscribers said, feed him in here, shut up. I ain't finna feed that dang on dog. I'm not. But yes, y'all, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'm out, yes indeed. And don't forget to stay popping bubblicious. I love y'all and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.